Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing an authentic Taiwanese pickled cucumber recipe and I hope you guys enjoy it. If there are any other recipes you'd like me to film, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and let's get started with this tutorial. So here are the ingredients you'll need. First, you'll want to cut off the edges of your cucumber. Hold onto one end of the cucumber and smash away. Smash until the cucumber breaks in half and cut the rest into bite-sized pieces. Put the cucumbers inside a glass container that you can seal with a lid and sprinkle in a half tablespoon of white sugar and a half tablespoon of salt. Use your hand and mix everything together until all the cucumbers are evenly coated. Put a lid on it and stick it in the fridge for 2 hours. Next, you'll want to cut the chili into little pieces. Keep the seeds from the chili if you want it to be more spicy. If not, make sure to take the seeds out. Smash all the garlic. This helps the aroma come out when you marinate it. Thinly slice some red onions and break it apart. Now that the cucumbers have been salted for 2 hours, pour out the liquid and rinse with water. Now you'll want to add your sesame oil and vinegar. First you'll add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, and then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Sprinkle in the garlic, chili pepper, and red onions. Mix it all up and let it marinate overnight, preferably 2 days, and enjoy!